What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to this week's episode of 2 Minute Tutorial Tuesday, where I'm going to be giving you 5 of my best tips on how to win at life, how to be successful in life, guys. This is a new series that I'm actually launching. It's going to be a kind of life hack series or a playlist that's going to be around everything on how to win at life, how to do things better, how to just enjoy certain aspects of your day-to-day, which is a little bit outside of fitness. It could be to do with fitness as well, to be honest. But it could range from anything again, how to build a brand from home, how to win on social media, how to win at life. So please stick around for today's episode. I really enjoyed making this and I hope you guys will enjoy this series. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna put 2 minutes on the clock right now and we're gonna get straight into it as always. Peace. Right guys, I hope you're ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna put 2 minutes on the clock. I'm probably gonna go over it. Don't care, because these are really important points. So number one, first point, super important, they're in no particular order by the way, is never ever give up. Please, this is like so cliche and you think, oh man, that's so obvious, we should never give up. Listen, there's so many people that fail. They could be so talented, they're so skillful, and they will give up, they will fail simply because they just don't have the heart, the grind to push forward no matter what happens, to push through the adversities. They don't have that tunnel vision. I want you guys to have it. In my experience, I had a double hip operation at the time when Rush Athletics was created. I was off my feet for literally 6 months, guys, that year, and I was able to build this brand from the ground up simply because I put in the work. I didn't give up. I didn't just think, you know, it's all over. I put the time in to find manufacturers, to just design products, to learn how to edit, everything. Please do not give in, do not give up, just keep going even when no one seems to care or take notice of what you're doing. You just continue, that's all you need to do, just continue. Doesn't matter if you hit a million brick walls, you push and you blast right through them. Trust me guys, do not give up. Point number 2, super quick, I've already touched on it on a number of my episodes, but never ever care about the opinions of haters or doubters. And second of all, don't actually be a hater yourself. That's the worst thing you can do as well. Never ever kind of be that kind of person that's like in competition with everyone, even if they do the same thing as you. Support, basically help others around you. Again, it's all about providing value. But the second thing that you need to really remember is that haters are there to try and tear you down. The higher you get, the higher you climb, they are there. They're going to be amassing in numbers, and the more haters you have, the better it is for you. Remember that. If you don't have any haters, you're not doing things right. You're not doing things the cool way or things that people want from you. Once people start to want things from you, you know you're on the right path. You just keep going, you keep blasting again forward through all these brick walls. Whatever they say, whatever they try and do, all these dirty tactics, all these kind of crazy things that some people go, that some of the lengths that some of these haters go to is incredible. And to be honest with you, I get it on a day-to-day basis. There's loads of people that are trying to do some crazy shit with us. But in actual fact, I do like it, I enjoy it, and I think it's friendly competition. And if people want to push things a little bit further, then again, I'm ready out there to make sure I can crush all of them one by one. And I want you guys to have that same mentality. Point number 3 on how to be successful and just kill life is all about being authentic, being you guys. The most powerful thing that we all have is that no one can copy us, no one can be us. We are us. No, but the point being is don't try and copy someone. Be authentic. That is just the worst thing you can ever do, guys, is try and kind of be like someone else just to see if you can kind of get to that level, get to their level. You just need to be you. Make sure that, you know, people know you for who you are. The market is always right, guys, or whatever you're trying to sell, whatever you're trying to be. The best thing and the most happiest version of yourself is just being yourself. Don't try and be someone else. Don't try and copy someone else. Whatever it is, if it's a product or if it's just kind of the way you talk or the way you are, just be authentic, be you. And anyone who's watching you, anyone who's trying to kind of consume your stuff is going to really realize you're so transparent. You are you. You're not trying to be someone else. You're not trying to copy people. And it's just the worst way to kind of start a venture or start a business or just do anything, because you're just going to fall flat on your face. You're not going to enjoy it because you're not going to feel like you are being you. Tip number 4, I'm definitely gone past the 2 minutes I reckon by now, but it is patience. Patience is a virtue. Yes, again, very cliche, but patience is the one that is going to really take you far in life. Because if you're someone who is rushing for success, rushing for ambition, rushing for money, rushing to see results, you're really setting yourself up for a fall, guys. This is a long game, this is a marathon, it's not a sprint. But that does mean you need to be quick on your day-to-day actions, on your day-to-day kind of what you're up to. You need to be fast, you need to be on it. And I really love the quote from Gary Vee, who always mentions basically macro patience, micro speed. So on the macro game, on the kind of long term, you're thinking of a marathon, you're going to keep going and keep plugging away. You're not going to give up, like I mentioned before. You're going to see that this is all about giving yourself time, giving the market time, and just keep going. And on the other hand, on a day-to-day basis, you are there, here, there, everywhere. You are trying to learn, you're trying to communicate, you're trying to create content, you are trying to get yourself out there in the world, you're just trying to be you, you're just trying to, yeah, you're just going at it, and that is what it's all about, guys. Just making sure you can find that clear distinction between the two, and just making sure that you are patient on the overall general scale scheme of things, you know what I mean. Point number 5, guys, final point, and I've gone way over the 2 minutes, I already know it. My slogan, my line is always about create your legacy, and that is just so powerful for me, because only when I decided to really think about impacting people's lives and not thinking about myself, not thinking about money, not thinking about anything to do with brand or just whatever it is, like that's when good things started to happen to me in my life. And I want you guys to share the same concept, to share the same vision, create your own legacy, push, just go after those dreams, guys. Don't let those ambitions kind of slip away. You guys are too good for that. You guys are too strong for that. And I don't want you to fall into the same habits as a lot of people, where they're settling for an average life and just running a kind of mundane 9-to-5 or day-to-day job that they dislike and they hate. I don't want you guys to be the same. So please, guys, give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. It would be really useful for me to know. And I'm going to be seeing you soon in that next video for my jump rope combination series. That'll be in a couple of days. If there's any other videos you'd love to see on the kind of life hack space, or anything that you've seen me doing that you'd like to kind of know how I do it, then please, again, drop me a comment down below and I'll get straight to it. I can't wait to see how far this series goes, and I can't wait to share my knowledge and experiences with you guys, as always. So without further ado, going to check in that next video. As always, remember, guys, dream, plan, and execute. See you in the next one. Peace. If you stuck around and watching these outro credits, guys, big up. I wanted to let you guys know that the Rush Explorer backpack is out this Saturday. We're launching the pre-order for this backpack along with our new RA Sound earpods. So a lot is happening. This is the first launch of our kind of lifestyle tech gear of this brand, and I really can't wait to see how far it goes. I assure you guys, these are gonna go super quick. They're perfect for your travel, your work commute, gym. A lot more information to come in the next few episodes on those, so make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, as always, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, and stay safe. Peace.